Hello my friends, as you know, drinking natural homemade mixtures and herbal teas is one of the best ways to lose weight. These drinks boost your metabolism and help you to lose weight. Today in this video, we want to make one of the best mixtures, so stay tuned. To begin with, take 2 fresh lemons and squeeze them. Then chop the crushed lemons and put them all in a pan. Now add 2 laurel and a cinnamon stick to the ingredients. Pour 1 glass of water and boil it for a few minutes. Filter the drink and add the lemon juice to your drink and stir it well. As simple as that, our weight loss drink is ready. We suggest you to consume this hot drink in the morning and before the breakfast. And for a better result, try it for consecutive days and surprised by the changes in your body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye for now.